Oh my God, it is fucking cold. Oh my God. 7 a.m. finished my workout. It was so good. It was so good. Got here about 5 a.m. and now I have my whole day ahead of me. I don't get to come and work out this early during the week because I'm working. I'm doing a lot of editing. I have the babies. Azalea's not working on the weekends, so she's able to be with the kids in the morning so I can actually step out and get some things done. I didn't bring my camera though. I'm filming on my phone right now. Let's get going. It's freezing. Okay, so bad news with today's vlog. It's not gonna be completed. I was editing the vlog that I made for Saturday, and it turns out that the settings on the camera were not correct or whatever. So none of the sound recorded. There's just nothing I can do. I can't recover the sound. If it's not recorded initially, then there's just no sound at all. Let me show you what I mean. Now, if you look right here, see this line? It's just like a flat bar. That means there's no sound. Now, if you go over here in the beginning of this vlog, you'll see that there's movement here. That means that there is sound. And these came out fine, right? These shots all came out okay. I was using my phone for these. For whatever reason, the settings on my camera just weren't correct. So I've got tons of shots here of where I'm talking, but you just can't hear anything. So it sucks. It's a complete loss of the vlog. I'll just narrate everything as quickly as I can. So after HEB, got home, Azalea was making some food, me and her talking. There's Zoe in my arms, per usual. Lydia, Juan's friend, came over. I'll talk about it more in tomorrow's vlog. We had a chat with her. She was visiting Texas. This is me getting Zoe in the car. We're going to McDonald's. I was going to take her with me. We're going to get some lunch for the family. Now, on the way to McDonald's, I'm talking about the McDonald's app and how I think it's helped us save some money. If you don't have the McDonald's app and you go to McDonald's a lot, you should download it. I think it's actually really awesome. Ace is looking at me like, what?
So you're not sponsored by them.
Oh, I know. I wanted to highlight Zoe Ace's shirt too. If you can see it here, it says, "Shut up, liver, you're fine." I love that. It's such a funny shirt. She always gets compliments whenever she's out wearing that. And then there's Preston. Preston got to eat his first cheeseburger. He ate some of it, threw the rest, but it looked like he was enjoying it. And then this is me and the kids we're just playing. We're having fun. My parents bought the kids this little car, and I was just pushing Zoe and Preston, and they're having so much fun. You can see Preston smile right there. Look at that happy face. He's so happy. So that's gonna be today's vlog. It's really short, and I'm sorry. It's just these things happen where it doesn't go according to plan. So I'm gonna get this uploaded, and then tomorrow should be back on track with getting the sound corrected. All right, see ya.